In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix too many attempts login error on Deliveroo. If you're seeing the too many attempts message when trying to sign in, don't worry. This usually shows up after several failed logins or when the app is holding on to outdated files that confuse the sign-in process. We'll start by updating the app, and if that doesn't clear it, we'll reset the app's stored data on your device. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar at the top, type Deliveroo, then tap the Deliveroo app from the results to open its store page. Look for the button that says Update. If you see Update, tap it and let the download and installation finish completely. If you only see Open, you're already on the latest version. Updates often fix login lockouts by refreshing security components and repairing bugs that interfere with authentication. For a smooth update, stay on Wi-Fi and keep your device awake until it completes. When it's done, open Deliveroo and try signing in again to see if the message has cleared. If the error persists, the next step is to clear the app's cached files. Go to your home screen, find the Deliveroo icon, and press and hold it until a small menu appears. From that menu, select App Info to open the System Settings page for Deliveroo. On this screen, tap Storage or Storage and Cache depending on your phone model. You'll see two options here, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Start with Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can cause the app to reuse stale login information. It won't delete your personal data inside the app. After clearing the cache, reopen Deliveroo and attempt to sign in again. If you're still blocked, return to the same storage screen and choose Clear Data. This performs a deeper reset by removing saved app data and preferences that may have become corrupted. Clearing data will sign you out and reset in-app settings, but it does not delete your Deliveroo account itself. Make sure you remember your login details before you proceed. Once cleared, launch Deliveroo and sign in fresh. A quick note, even after updating or clearing data, the security timer behind the too many attempts message may need a little time to expire. That's normal. Give it a short moment, then try again with the correct credentials. By updating the app and then clearing cache or data if needed, you replace outdated components and remove conflicting files that trigger lockouts. These steps are safe, straightforward, and resolve the issue in most cases. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back into your account without any more interruptions.